If you think economics is all about the boring theories and confusing graphs, then this video is going to completely change your mindset because Andhra Pradesh Board Economics examination is not difficult. It just needs the right strategy. Hello students, welcome back to Dr. Shoraf's classes. If you are preparing for the Andhra Pradesh Board Economics examination, then this video is your complete roadmap. In the next few minutes, I'll tell you what to study, and how to score high with confidence. First, let us clearly understand the structure of the syllabus. Andhra Pradesh Board Economics mainly focuses on the basic economic concepts, micro and macroeconomics, national income, money and banking, development issues, and the Indian economy. Questions are usually concept based, mixed with the definition, short answers, long answers, and the numericals and the diagram based questions. Now comes the preparation structure, which most students ignore. Step number 1, that is the concept clarity. Concept clarity is non-negotiable. Do not memorize the definitions blindly. Understand the terms like demand, supply, inflation, national income, and the economic growth in the simple language. Step number 2, that is smart theory practice. For every chapter, prepare 2-line definitions, key points for the 5 and 8 marks answers, and diagrams and flowcharts wherever possible. Now comes the step number 3, that is the answer writing practice. Economics is not just about knowing the answers, it's about presenting them correctly. Headings, keywords, and the examples matter a lot in the board examination. Now, let me tell you how Dr. Shoraf's classes will help you out to crack the Andhra Pradesh Board Economics examination effortlessly. At Dr. Shoraf's classes, we focus on the concept-based teaching, not the rote learning. Every chapter is explained with the real-life examples, easy language, and the exam-oriented notes. Students get the structured answer formats, repeated revision sessions, and the exam-focused practice, test practice, so that there is no fear on the exam day. Even the difficult chapters become very simple when taught with the right approach and the personalized guidance. Now to conclude, economics is not tough. Confusion makes it tougher. Now with a clear strategy, smart preparation, and the right mentorship, scoring high in Andhra Pradesh Board Economics is absolutely possible. So start early, study smart, and if you want expert guidance, Dr. Shoraf's classes is always here to support you for your success. Join us today.